Listen to this song, I bet it will blow your mind.
Levitate, mind stay on another plane. Riding through the city with demons in my brain. Bottle full of memories, sipping through the pain. Candlelight vigils, flame never wanes. Chasing dreams, feel the shadow on my heels. Fast life, night thrives, heartache never heals. Empty thrills in the penthouse, cold meals.
Amazing, guys. Can you believe that song was done by an AI in just a click of some button in just few minutes? And I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So right here is the website that helps you create music, be it instrumental or music that has vocals in it, all by just inputting some prompts, and in just few minutes it gives you an amazing song just like the one you listen to. So right here, this website is called suno.com. so just visit it. I'll show you everything about it in this video, so just stay with me. So like this, as you can see, these are other people who have created music. It was created just like a music streaming platform like Spotify, but this is everything here is done by AI, like every single thing here. So let me just play one.
We on the vibe. This shit fire. Feeling yourself, hit the job. I'm from your DOG to the STEZ. We blessing funk on the block for free. Bump this track for summertime relief. We done package vibes from LA to Miami Beach. In the whip on the knee.
So guys, as you can see, that song is so amazing. All of these were produced by AI. So let's jump in to the video straight on how you too can use this tool to create amazing tunes that you can begin to share out there as your own songs. So let's dive into it right now. So the first step in creating your music with AI is for you to have your lyrics for your song ready, and I'll be showing you an AI tool you can use to do this. So just head over to your browser and type chatgpt.com. I believe you already know that website by now, and then you load it and it's going to bring you to the interface. If you don't have an account, just sign in so that you can always save your data of what you do on ChatGPT. So right here, all you just have to do is to type in a prompt. Just right here, begin to type in anything. For example, write me a song on life, something like this. And the moment I tap on enter, it's going to start writing me a song, as you can see, like this. So can you see ChatGPT will start writing these songs for you, and you can use this to go and create your music on Suno AI. But now I want to show you something amazing. Now, when you prompt ChatGPT, you need to prompt this AI to give you what you want so that you can be able to have a better output. So there is this GPT I discovered, which is a trained ChatGPT prompt that will help you generate more prompts that will give you a better song when you prompt it into Suno AI. And this is called Suno Lyrics. It's created by somebody. Let me show you. So it's created by this guy called Mo Luke. So I'm going to drop the link of this Suno lyric and prompt generator on the description of this particular video. You can check it and just install it into your ChatGPT. And when you come here, it becomes more easy because this has been trained properly to give you a well-structured song. So how do you now do it now? I'm going to type in my prompt right here for the kind of song I want to create, which is a trap song. And as you can see, this is what I want. Write me a Juice WRLD style trap song titled Elevate that tells the stories from rising from the bottom to the top while overcoming adversity. So once I just click on enter, as you can see, it's writing me this song the way it's supposed to be. Now it's going to give you the title of the song, the style of the song. This is very, very important. You are going to use it on Suno AI. So as you can see, this is the style and this is also the structure of the song. So this is the lyrics right here. So now when you have your lyrics like this, what do you do next? You head over to Suno AI, which is the main AI tool we'll be using to generate our music. So right here on the Suno website, just from suno.com, you come over to the website, and just to start creating other music just like this, ensure you register on the platform. Just click on this point that says sign in, and then you sign in with your Google account or your Discord, just anyone, either Apple, Google, or Discord. For me, I use Google. So as you can see, I'm already signing right here. So what you just need to do is to start creating your music. You can come over to this place that says create, and it's going to bring you over to this place that says my workspace. As for you, yours should be empty. I've already created some songs right here. So one amazing thing about Suno AI is that they give you 10 free songs every day on the free plan. So amazing, which means you can create 10 free songs on the free plan, and if you upgrade to their pro plan, you can then get more songs. But with the free, you can get almost everything you need. So right here, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to go and copy my lyrics from ChatGPT. So I'll then paste my lyrics right here. As you can see, enter your own lyrics. But before you do that, ensure that this place is turned on. This place that says custom. But first of all, let me show you something. Remember the prompt we typed in ChatGPT? You can come here and just type that prompt, and it's going to give you a music that you need without you actually going to ChatGPT. But I prefer to use ChatGPT because of that prompt that I showed you, that prompt generator I showed you, because it's something that has been trained to give you something much more better than typing it right here on Suno AI. But for now, just turn this on, this one that says custom, and enter the lyrics you have from ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the lyrics right here, and this one that says instrumental, I just leave it turned off. It's a song I want to create. Then you come down to this point and they say enter the music style. Now I'll go and get the style from ChatGPT again. So this is a style, and I'll paste it right here, and then I will name my song. So I'm just going to give it this name, and the name of the song is called Elevate. So once you are done with everything, you are satisfied with your lyrics. As for me, I didn't look at these lyrics, but you might want to look at it. Then you just do what? You just click on create. So what it does is that it creates two versions of this song for you. So if you have 10 songs in a day, you can actually create 5 actual songs, because they give you 2 versions per each song you are creating, so you can have a variation of songs to pick from. As you can see, our songs are ready, so it will just take a little bit of time, and it's going to populate the minutes right here of this song, just like this ones. Then we'll play our song and see how it sounds. Okay, so as you can see, our songs are ready. Here what we have right here.
But I built my empire out of sticks and stones. Had the hunger in my chest, fire in my eyes. Told myself keep going, I was meant to rise. I elevate higher than the stars above. Turn my pain to power, built it all with love. From the dirt to the clouds, I made my way. I elevate, yeah, nothing's in my way.
Okay, so for this one, it doesn't really sound exactly like what I want, but let's play the other one and let's see.
Felt so low, couldn't see the light. Every day was a battle, every night a fight. Heart full of dreams, but weighed down by pain. Now I'm rising up, I'm breaking the chain. I was drowning in shadows, lost in the haze.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, this looks like almost what we are looking for. So it's trap, it's having that vibe, and it's all good. So if you really don't like the one you have, you can always come here and adjust it and create more, and I believe you should get the one you want. And if you even upgrade to their pro, you have the options to do much more better things like remastering the song. If I click on this point, you can see you can get to like make persona. Like when we talk about persona, it's like putting your own personality into the song now, and I'm going to show you something about that in a little while. So as you can see, with the pro you can do much better, but for this one I just created, I feel it's related to what I want, you understand? So I've created so many songs right here, and I love how most of them sound. Let me just play one that I really love so you get to hear.
In the shadow of my triumphs, you are there.
Okay, so as you can see, that's mind-blowing. Really mind-blowing. So now let me show you something that you might be asking, can I do this? Which is, can you upload an audio of your own voice and let it give you something related to yours? And the answer is yes, you can do that. Now let me show you guys how to do this. Now for you to do this, all you just need to do is to, you see this point that says upload audio, just click on it, and then you agree to their terms, and you have two options right here. You can have your audio that you have recorded somewhere, probably in your phone or somewhere else, and you can just select it, drag and drop it into this column, or you can record your own voice right here. So amazing. So now let's test this. Let me record my voice and get to see how it goes. La 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 la. So as you can see, I've recorded my voice. All I'm just going to do is I'm going to trim it like this. So I'll just click on the save trimmed audio, and then you can just rename it as something you will get to remember later. And if you like, you can change the photo right here, but I'll just leave it. I'll just click on confirm. So as you can see, this is my own audio right here. So how do I now create this song for it to have my own voice? So what I'll just do right here, I'll remove these lyrics because it's a new song I want to do. And then I will say write with Suno. Then you see right here, I'll describe the lyrics you want or share a theme or topic. I'll just say something like write a song. Let me just say a rap song. Write a rap song about loving one another. Something very simple. So right here, you can just click on this one that says classic model, and right here you can choose any of this one. But for now, I'm going to use this classic for now, and then I'll just click on write lyrics. So as you can see, it gives me two songs right here. One is called Love Vibes and the other one is called Love Crew. And this is the lyrics. So if I had time, I'll just take my time to go through any of them. And let me just look at it. Every step we take, let's hit. Okay, I'll go with this first one. And for me to now make it sound like me, what I'll do, I'll click on this one that says extend. I'll click on it and it's going to extend my voice. This is my audio right here. As you can see it right here, it brings my audio into this place. So now it's going to try to mimic my voice. Now in the style, I'll write something like hardcore hip hop. So hardcore hip hop reflective male voice. So I'll just click on extend. So as you can see, my two songs are right here. Let me just click on it and I'll play it and get to see how it sounds.
Every step we take, less hate, more grace. Hand in hand, we replace empty space. Armor up, no need for a case. We elevate, never fall, we embrace. From the streets to the hills, love keeps it real.
So as you can see, that's one of them. And this is the second one.
From the streets to the hills, love keeps it real. Heartbeats connect, that's
So I would say that this second one sounds more like my voice somehow, but you know, it's AI and it's still getting better. So but as you can see, this is how you can actually create more amazing music with AI. So you can really go deep into it and do much more better. And even if you want to get something that is much more better, what you can do is to subscribe to the pro plan of Suno AI. I think for the monthly subscription is about $10 and it gives you about 500 songs, which is so amazing. So you can explore this to use it to start creating a lot of music for yourself and just have fun. You understand? You can even use it to monetize in different ways, which I'm going to reveal to you in this channel subsequently. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this.